Get ready for the dictation of 100 words per minute from the Dawn editorial start. The country's superior judiciary remains in a bind full stop ever since an 8-member bench led by the Chief Justice acted prematurely to ensure that the Supreme Court Practice and Procedure Act would be a stillborn law, several senior justices have, on different occasions, been less than enthusiastic about hearing major cases till questions regarding the constitutionality of the aforementioned law are firmly decided full stop. The issue arose again during the Friday hearing of a petition challenging the changes made last year by the PDM government to the country's anti-corruption laws full stop. Justice Mansoor Ali Shah, who is part of the three-member bench that has been hearing the long-running case, proposed the formation of a full court bench to hear the matter, nothing that since the Supreme Court had not yet issued a final judgment on the practice and procedure law, it may be best to refer the matter to a larger bench keeping in mind the implications of the case full stop. New paragraph. It may be recalled that, through the Practice and Procedure Act, the PDM government had sought to take Somoto powers, the prerogative to form benches, away from the Chief Justice and hand them to a committee comprising the three senior most judges of the apex court full stop. Parts of the Practice and Procedure Act also made their way into the later Supreme Court Review of Judgments and Orders Act, which the Supreme Court struck down last week full stop. At one point in the ruling striking down the latter law, the Chief Justice observed that it would veer towards irrationality to hold that the legislature could supersede the Chief Justice of Pakistan and enact a law taking away his prerogative to exercise and invoke jurisdiction under Article 184(3) full stop. This would seem to suggest that the Practice and Procedure Act may meet a similar fate full stop. However, the bench hearing the case seems caught in a catch-22 situation, with a decision either for or against the law complicated by the apex court's international divisions full stop. The Practice and Procedure Act may never have become an albatross around the Supreme Court's neck had the Chief Justice addressed the differences within his court early and in an amicable manner full stop. He was asked repeatedly by his fellow judges to devise rules regulating Somoto and bench fixing powers but refused to relinquish control over them full stop.